So when I was applying for housing, I was looking at all the different opportunities that there were, and I was going to join the marching band, so I was thinking of the rhythm community, but then I came across the lab community online, and I saw the different opportunities that are within it, the professor connections, the trips that you take, and I just fell in love with the idea of it, so that's why I joined the Lab LLC.
I would say all the different opportunities to connect with each other one-on-one, including professors and our peers. We actually get to have those conversations that otherwise people would be too shy to reach out to.
I realized I have grown up tremendously, broke out of my shell a lot, joined many different organizations never I thought I would do it at times. Learned some professional skills, leadership skills, and just kind of grew up as a person.
My first friends there, it was like my home away from home. I came into college by myself. I didn't know anyone that went here. So I was glad to be surrounded by other people that was taking the same courses as me, understood what I was going through, could relate to me on a personal level and, academic level.
Just teaching us and having professors come in. I can remember Dr. Mondor came in and he did a presentation about, I think it was like flies and how they decayed pigs. Me and a fellow student, we were competing against one another and actually won. I was super excited. And then Dr. Mondor took us out for lunch, and then we went touring around his research lab. And so that really was like a primary moment for me, knowing that I wanted to get in. I think it was after that moment that I really realized that research was for me.
From a faculty standpoint of view, I feel the living lab communities are really helpful for the freshman students because they are the cohort of like-minded people coming together, and they stay together. For a freshman, their emotions are different, their problems are different, so when they see that they have that kind of support system around, it really helps. So being an advisory board member of the Living Lab community for now almost 2 years, I feel I've seen the progression in the students, and the effect that can have on students' life is really good. So I feel LLC really helps students to grow together. Being a first year student also, the opportunities they have through FYE or the RLC, which was started like last semester, the additional support system they get through college or through the department, it is really fruitful in the long term, and the students in second and third year appreciate that efforts.
Ultimately, obviously, I'd like more of them to be successful as science majors, but I want them to be successful at Georgia Southern. So I want to see students who find their passion and find their careers, and always look back at what Georgia Southern did as some of the best part of getting them off the ground, figuring out what they wanted to do, and learning more than what they experience might have been in their high school. So we have seen it's been very, very successful for our students. Overall, our science majors in our living learning community, the lab, there are students across the board. I say you'll be in a community of people just like themselves, but as a community, as a team, they've outperformed our normal norms for freshmen. They are doing better, GPA, retention. I think it's a good community that they have each other, they share resources, self-assistance, and everything else. Plus, they're plugged into the faculty who know who can get more involved with them whenever they need it.